Banking news for the month of November 2024. RBI's Diwali plan transporting 102 tons from England. On Dandiara's October 29, 2024, the RBI revealed that it successfully transported an impressive 102 tons of gold from the Bank of England to secure storage facilities in India. This strategic move was part of RBI's meticulous planning to ensure the safe and discreet transfer of such a significant quantity of gold, reinforcing the nation's reserves by aligning with the festive spirit of the occasion. SEBI proposes reforms to enhance flexibility and protection for REITs and INVITs. The SEBI has introduced a range of proposed changes for Real Estate Investment Trust, Infrastructure Investment Trust, and Small and Medium, aimed at enhancing market flexibility and investor protection. This aligns with SEBI's ongoing efforts to strengthen governance, reduce financial risk, and improve operational efficiency in these investment structures. SEBI's new securitization rules key investor safeguards. The Security and Exchange Board of India has proposed significant changes to the securitization framework to bolster investor protection and streamline regulatory requirements. The proposal includes a minimum investment threshold, limitation on investor participation, mandatory dematerialization, and liquidity safeguards. Public feedback is invited until November 16, 2024 as SEBI aims to build on its 2008 framework and Reserve Bank of India 2021 securitization guidelines. SBI Mutual Fund surpasses 10 lakh crore AUM, leading the industry. SBI Mutual Fund has made headlines by becoming the first fund house in India to surpass the 10 lakh crore mark in assets under management, reaching 10.99 lakh crore in the September quarter, a notable increase from 9.88 lakh crore in June. This achievement places SBI MF ahead of its closest competitor ICICI Mutual Fund and HDFC Mutual Fund, which have AUMs of Rs 8.41 lakh crore and Rs 3.47 lakh crore respectively. Punjab and Sindh Bank launches e-bank guarantee facility with NESL. Punjab and Sindh Bank has announced the launch of its e-bank guarantee facility in collaboration with National E-Governance Services Limited. This innovative service modernizes the traditional bank guarantee process, transaction from paper-based issuance requiring physical stamping and signatures to a fully digital format utilizing e-stamping and e-signatures. IDFC First Bank launches real-time international money transfer tracking. IDFC First Bank, in partnership with Shift, has introduced a groundbreaking real-time tracking services from international money transfers. Available on its award-winning mobile app and internet banking platforms, this service positions IDFC First Bank as the first Indian bank to offer end-to-end traceability for cross-border payments. This service aligns with the bank's customer-first philosophy aimed at bringing the transparency and speed of UPI and IBPS digital payments to international transactions. Dutch Bank infuses Rs 5,113 crore to boost India operations. Dutch Bank has injected Rs 5,113 crore into its Indian operations, marking its largest capital infusion into the country in recent years. This move, aimed at funding growth and expanding services across corporate, investment, and private banking, demonstrates the bank's long-term commitment to India. With this fresh capital, Dutch Bank's regulatory capital for its India branches has increased by 33% to nearly 30,000 crore, tripling in the last decades. The bank plans to leverage India's strategic position in global trends like digital transformation and infrastructure development to drive future growth. SBI unveils Innovation Hub at Singapore FinTech Festival. SBI, in partnership with APIX, a global collaborative platform for financial institutions and fintechs, has launched the SBI Innovation Hub at the Singapore FinTech Festival from November 6 to 8, 2024. The hub provides a dedicated space for global fintech startups and innovators to create next-generation financial solutions that meet the digital needs of SEBI's diverse customer base. This initiative underlines SBI's commitment to driving financial innovation, accelerating digital transformation, and promoting financial inclusion. RBI designates 10-year sovereign green bonds under FAR for non-resident investments. The RBI has expanded the list of government securities available for non-resident investment under the fully accessible route by designating 10-year sovereign green bonds as specified securities. These bonds will be issued by the government in the second half of the fiscal year 24-25, aligning with the increasing global inclusion of Indian government securities in international bond indices such as JP Morgan Chase JBI EM GD Index, Bloomberg EM Local Currency Government Indices, and FTSE Russell's EMGBI. RBI updates KYC rules to enhance verification and security. In a significant move to strengthen the Know Your Customer process, the Reserve Bank of India introduced 6 amendments to its KYC Master Directions effective November 6, 2024. These updates aim to streamline procedures, ensuring more efficient consumer onboarding and aligning with the latest legal frameworks. The changes are designed to make financial transactions more secure, accessible, and reliable, benefiting both consumers and financial institutions. ADB approves Rs 200 million loan for Uttarakhand Liability Improvement Project. The Asian Development Bank has approved a 200 million loan to enhance the urban infrastructure and climate resilience of Uttarakhand under the Uttarakhand Liability Improvement Project. This initiative aligns with both the Government of India's urban development agenda and the state's efforts to provide sustainable and livable urban spaces. The project will upgrade essential urban services including water supply, sanitation, drainage, flood management, and urban mobility in 5 cities of Uttarakhand: Haldwani, Champavat, Kicha, Kodavar, and Vigasnagar. RBI's new framework for converting FPI holdings to FDI. The Reserve Bank of India has introduced a new framework that allows foreign portfolio investors to convert their investment into foreign direct investment if their holding exceeds to 10% equity threshold in Indian companies. This move is designed to streamline the process, making it easier for FPIs to align with FDI guidelines, provided they have the necessary government and company approvals. The new rule, effective from November 11, 2024, offers FPIs the opinion to reclassify excess shares within 5 trading days, ensuring compliance with the Foreign Exchange Management Act and sectoral FDI caps. RBI maintains SBI, HDFC Bank, and ICICI Bank as DSIBs. The Reserve Bank of India has confirmed that State Bank of India, HDFC Bank, and ICICI Bank will continue to be classified as domestically systematically important banks, with an increase in the additional capital requirements for SBI and HDFC Bank starting April 2025. The DSIB framework, introduced by RBI in 2014 and updated in 2023, designated these banks as too significant to fail due to their size, complexity, and interconnections in the financial year. These banks are subject to higher capital buffers to ensure financial stability. SBI seeks Rs 1.25 billion in 2024 largest dollar denominated loan. State Bank of India is aiming to secure a Rs 1.25 billion 5-year loan, which could be the largest dollar denominated loan from India's financial sector in 2024. The loan, arranged by CTBC Bank, HSBC, and Taipei Fuden Bank, will be used for general corporative purposes. SBI's moves follows a trend of increasing foreign currency borrowing by Indian financial institutions, particularly non-banking financial companies, due to stricter domestic regulation. Despite the rising demand, India's total dollar-denominated loan volume has decreased by 27% this year. Karnataka Bank launches innovative financial products for students. Karnataka Bank Limited has introduced 2 student-focused financial products, KPL Peak and KBL Genius, aiming to support students in achieving their academic goals and managing their financial effectively. These products, launched on World Prematurity Day, enhance the bank's commitment to contributing to India's educational and economic growth by providing financial freedoms to students, with KBL Peak offering education loan up to Rs 2 crore and KBL Genius featuring a student savings account with free cyber insurance. The bank strengthened its ties with educational institutions across the country. SBI Horniman Circle marks 100 years of legacy. The State Bank of India celebrated the centenary of its iconic Harriman Circle branch with the unveiling of a specially minted 100 commemorative coin by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. The event also featured the release of the 5th edition of the Evaluation of the State Bank of India, detailing the bank's transformation between 1981 and 1996. From its humble beginnings with just 100 branches in 1920, SBI today boasts over 22,614 branches with plans to expand further in fiscal year 25. The bank's impressive digital presence, financial inclusion efforts, and significant role in India's banking revolution were highlighted during the event. India launches first AI data bank to boost security and innovation. India has launched its first artificial intelligence data bank, a landmark initiative to foster innovation and enhance national security. Announced by Union Minister Jitendra Singh at the 7th Ashocham AI Leadership Meet 2024. This step is part of India's broader strategy to leverage AI from economic growth and governance. The initiative aims to provide researchers, startups, and developers with access to high-quality data sets for creating scalable AI solutions, positioning AI as a key enabler for sectors such as healthcare, space exploration, and national security. Bima Sugam, a step towards a digital insurance ecosystem. The growing concern over mis-selling of insurance products by banks has promoted the introduction of the Bima Sugam platform, a digital initiative by the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. IRDAI Chairman Debish Pandey, addressing the issue at SBI's annual Business and Economic Conclave, emphasized that banks should prioritize their core lending activities and ensure customers are not coerced into buying unsuitable insurance products. India drops 2 spots in Global Climate Index. India has maintained its position as one of the top 10 performers in the Climate Change Performance Index 2025 despite slipping 2 spots compared to last year. The report highlights India's commendable efforts in reducing per capita emission and its accelerated adoption of renewable energy. Published by German Watch, New Climate Institution and Climate Action Network Internationals, the CCPI assesses 63 countries in the European Union, which collectively contribute to 90% of global emissions. RBI doubles UPI 123 pay limit to 10,000 for feature phones. The Reserve Bank of India has raised the transaction limit for UPI 123 pay from 5,000 to 10,000, enhancing its utility for Indians' 400 million future phone users. Launched in March 2022, UPI 123 pay enables digital transaction without internet access to IVR, missed calls, and sound-based payments. Alongside, the UPI Lite wallet limit has been increased from 2,000 to 5,000 to facilitate small value transactions. These moves aim to deepen financial inclusion and boost the adoption of digital payments, particularly among unserved populations. IndusInd Bank and UNICEF join forces for climate resilience in India. IndusInd Bank and UNICEF has launched a strategic initiative under the bank's flagship CSR program focusing on disaster resilient communities and climate risk-informed efficient administrative systems. This collaboration aims to enhance climate-informed administrative frameworks and strengthen resilience against climate-induced disaster across 5 aspirational districts in India: Maharashtra, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh. This program, part of IndusInd Bank Holistic Rural Development Initiative, aligns with its commitment to uplifting communities and fostering environmental sustainability. Canara HSBC Life unveils OmniGen AI to transform underwriting. Canara HSBC Life Insurance has launched the OmniGen AI, a groundbreaking generative AI solution aimed at optimizing risk evaluation. This innovative system leverages cutting-edge and technology on Amazon Web Services, enabling underwriters to make faster, more precise decisions based on a comprehensive set of data points. By integrating AI-driven models, the company aims to reduce errors, improve consistency, and accelerate policy insurance. This strategic move builds on its commitment to transforming the underwriting process, offering enhanced operational efficiency and providing a superior customer experience. SBI raises 15,000 crore through bonds. In fiscal year 25, strengthen rural credit access. State Bank of India, the country's largest lender, has raised 15,000 crore in fiscal year 25 through a series of domestic bond issuance, marking a significant milestone. This achievement highlights SBI's strong financial position and its ongoing efforts to support economic growth and financial inclusion, particularly in underserved rural areas. The raised funds has earmarked for long-term development, infrastructure project and strategic partnership that empower rural entrepreneurs including women and small businesses. Thank you.